Hey guys, good morning. It's morning over here and welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to be transforming myself into a man, and this cap is typical of northern Nigerian men. Don't you guys think I make a cute man? Anyways, so I dance and play, and this is part of my 60 days of makeup I'm doing on my Instagram. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face and prep and prime it, and then I'm going to go in and apply my foundation. I actually combined two different shades because this first shade I used was too bright, so I combined it with the Fenty Beauty in 370. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go in and give myself a typical manly looking eyebrows, which is a bit more less structured than a female one, and make it bushy and very muscular. The next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my palette, my powder palette, and just carving out my face in a structure that is more manly and more muscular and more chiseled. I'm also doing the same thing on my temples, on the sides of my nose to make it appear broader, on my eyes, and just basically chiseling out my face to make it look like a man, to give it the structure of a man. And then I'm going to blend it all out. The next thing I'm going to be doing is, I can't tell you what I used to apply this, but I've gone in with my face paint, my makeup paint, to achieve my beard. I know it's not perfect here, don't judge me. And also carve out a new hairline. Then I went in and did some more blending, and that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share to your friends. Thank you guys, and I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. You should definitely check out my Instagram because that's where I'm posting a lot of the looks for my 60 days of makeup, and it will blow your mind. It's the same name, NdatseNdomo. Love you guys. Bye. See you in my next video.